How to use Geico live chat to reach a live agent. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open Chrome and search Geico live chat. Click on chat. Here it will lead you to this page. Click on the question mark icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. After you've done that, it will open this page. Add your first name, your last name, and your email. After you have added your email, select State. After you have selected the state, are you an existing customer? Select and press on Start Chatting. After you've clicked on Start Chatting, AI Assistant will pop up. Now, here, add the question you want to ask, and if it does not respond as you want and you want a live agent, type live agent or live chat and make sure you're logged into your account. After you're logged into your account, it will directly lead you to live agent. As you can see, I can get you to an agent, but first you need to log in. So make sure you're logged in and you will reach a live agent. This is how to use Geico live chat to reach a live agent. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.